Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Siddharth and I have created a new channel in YouTube. In my YouTube channel, I will upload the solutions of NCERT Class 7 Maths. And in today's video, I will start with the exercise 1.1 first question and second question. The first question is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here temperatures are given of particular place on a particular day. So the minus 8 degrees Celsius is Lahaul Spiti, minus 2 degrees Celsius is Srinagar, 5 degree is Shimla, 14 degrees OT and 22 degree is Bangalore. The first question is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So we have to observe this number line and we have to write the temperature of the places marked on it. So the first one is Lahaul Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The another one is Srinagar, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. The third one is Shimla, that is 5 degrees Celsius. The fourth one is OT, that is 14 degrees Celsius. And the last one is Bangalore, that is 22 degrees Celsius. So the next question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So we have to find the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. So the temperature of the hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius, means of Bangalore, and temperature of the coldest place is minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is Lahaul Spiti. So difference is equals to 22 minus of minus 8 is equals to 22. In bracket I have shown that minus minus is equals to plus, as we know that. So 22 plus 8 is equals to 30. Therefore the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. The C part of the question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? We have to find the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So temperature of Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore difference is equals to, in bracket, minus 8 minus of minus 2 is equals to minus 8 plus 2 is equals to minus 6. Why minus 6? Because 8 is the largest number or the biggest number, and in the integers rule we have shown that we have to write the sign of the biggest or greatest number. So the answer will be minus 6. Therefore the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is minus 6 degrees Celsius. Then we will move to D question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So the D question is having two parts. First we will solve the first part, then we will go to the next. So it is given that, if can we say that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, means if we take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, if we take it together, then also it is less than the temperature at Shimla? Question. So we will find the solution of that. So first we will write temperature of Srinagar is equals to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla is equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Then we will find the answer when we take the temperature of both of them together. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is equals to minus 2 plus 5 is 3. Why 3? As I told you in the previous question that we have to put the sign of the biggest number or the greatest number, that is 5. So the answer will be in positive number. Therefore yes, we can say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. So now we will solve the next part of the question, that is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Means if we take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, then is it less than the temperature at Srinagar? We have to find that also. So the solution will be of that. Yes, temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore minus 2 is less than 3. So it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. The second question is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So here it is given that in a quiz, positive marks were given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. And there is a boy, Jack, who participated in this quiz. His score is given in 5 successive rounds, that is 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. We have to find his total at end. So we will write that Jack scores in 5 successive rounds is equals to 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Therefore his total score at end is equals to, first we will add the positive integers, then we will move to negative integers. Is equals to 25 plus 15 is equals to 40 and the remaining positive integer is 10. So 40 plus 10 is equals to 50. His total marks by adding positive integers is 50. Now we will add the negative integers. That is minus 5 plus minus 10 is equals to minus 15. Because minus plus minus 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 plus. And we have to put the greatest number sign. That is minus 15. Now we will subtract we will add 50 to minus 10. So is equals to 50 plus minus 10 is equals to 40. Therefore his total at end is equals to 40 marks. So friends, if you liked my video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.